If your Telegram channel is automatically deleting messages and you want to stop that, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn off auto-delete messages on Telegram channels using Telegram Desktop, step by step. This is really useful if you want your posts, updates, announcements, or discussions to stay visible for your audience instead of disappearing after a timer runs out. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Telegram tutorials, just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Telegram Desktop on your computer. Make sure you're signed into the account that manages the channel because you'll need the right permissions to change channel settings. Once Telegram opens, look through your list of chats and click on the channel where you want to turn off the auto-delete feature. This is important because the setting has to be changed inside the specific channel you want to edit. After the channel opens, go to the top of the screen and click on the channel name or the profile photo. This will open the channel's profile information and settings panel. From here, you'll be able to access different options related to the channel. Next, look for the three dots menu, or in some cases, you may see a pencil icon for Edit. Click that menu to open the available channel controls. Depending on your Telegram version, the layout may look slightly different, but the option you need will still be there. Now choose Auto Delete. This is the setting that controls whether messages disappear automatically after a certain amount of time. When the Auto Delete menu opens, you'll see the current timer or active setting. To turn it off, select Disable. This will switch the timer off completely so new messages in that channel won't be auto-deleted anymore. After that, confirm the change if Telegram asks you to. Once the setting is disabled, your channel messages should remain in place unless they are manually deleted by an admin or removed for another reason. That's all there is to it. You've now turned off auto-delete messages on a Telegram channel from Telegram Desktop. This is a simple change, but it can make a big difference if you want to keep your channel history clean, accessible, and permanent for your viewers. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Telegram how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.